Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the battery on your HP 15EC laptop and performing essential maintenance. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power down your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery located on the right side of the laptop. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is usually a small plug that can be gently pulled out. After disconnecting, you can remove the screws securing the battery in place. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are out, lift the battery out of its compartment. Now take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the battery in place and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. This step is crucial, as a loose connection can lead to power issues. Before replacing the back cover, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. If you feel this is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in top shape. Once you've completed the cleaning, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clip snap into place. Now, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything is functioning correctly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues or feel uncomfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, we offer a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency in our services. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing your laptop is in good hands. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.